안녕하세요, 여러분. Pop quiz. Okay, so let's do first one. Just like last week, you're going to spell out butterfly. So the correct answer, 니은, 아, 비읍, 이, 나비. Next one, let's do singer. So correct answer will be 기억, 아, 시옷, 우, 가수. Let's do bridge. Okay, so the correct answer will be 디귿, 아, 리을, 이, 다리. So next one, I am going to say it and you spell and write definition. 바지, 바지. So 비읍, 아, 지읒, 이, 바지, pants. Okay, last one. 사자, 사자. So 시옷, 아, 지읒, 아, 사자. Lion. Today we are going to continue with compound vowels. So compound vowel, this one composed of U and E. So we call it U-E. And then pronunciation is actually not U-E, right? It's one syllable. We are putting it together. U-E, U. So it's more close to U sound, but you're still going to have a E, slight E sound. So this vocabulary means chair. And the way you pronounce it is 의자. Did you hear the U and E come together as a one syllable? 의자, 의자. So next one. So as you can see, O plus A. O plus A. And the pronunciation is wa. It is not wa, okay? So it's wa. Yes, and romanization is very simple. You can just do W-A. Okay, next one. This one is U plus O. U plus O. The pronunciation will be wall. U, O becomes wall. So U, O, pronunciation wall. Okay, next one. This one, U plus E. Pronunciation will be we. So U plus E, U-E. Pronunciation we. First one. Second one. And then third one. Woohoo! So some we have even 3 simple vowels, right? Okay, the first one. O plus E. Second one. O plus A. Remember? A. But we can also write this to O plus A plus E. Third one, U plus A. This we can also say U plus O, E. Now, pronunciation wise, second one, let's start with the second one. So O, A, E will become way. Way. Notice how I did the A in the end, right? So it's W and A together. Way. A, dot line go down, a little more open. So therefore it becomes way. Third one, we're using the OE here. So you're not gonna open wide as the IE. So it becomes way. Way, way. way. So you're not really opening your mouth a lot for number 3. Okay? Way. Now number 1 sounds like number 3. Okay, number 1 will sound like number 3. Not much difference. Kwa. Okay, next one, let's do mo. So that was mium and wo, right? So mo. Okay, next syllable. Niun ui. Ui sounds like we. Therefore, nui. Due. It's not due. It's due. Kiek o ai. It's we. So therefore, it becomes que. Last one, chit. Oi. Ue becomes we. It's not we, it's we. So it becomes chue.